What happened?
I so want to try this motherfucker.
Would you shut up, Ricky?
Yeah.
Yeah, I broke my foot.
You broke it?
Oh my god. Yeah. We're here at Barrett Jackson.
What he say? He want smoke? We go spin. Spin again.
Dang, look at that 458 with the Euro spec wheels.
Yeah, hey.
The wheels?
So those are just a trial run right now.
Oh,
you know?
okay.
So I actually just wanted to see how it looked with them on the car. I like them personally, but we do have a set of AL13s getting refinished right now.
Oh.
Just in case, you know?
Just in case? I don't know, I'm kind of torn. I wish it was maybe a little deeper.
Let me ask you this, okay? These exact wheels
Yeah.
on that Mercedes outside. Imagine those wheels on that car.
I don't know, that's a tough one. Phaulner, where are you at on these wheels?
I like it.
Yeah, you like it?
It needs to be polished, not black.
Oh man, you could probably fit a playing card through there and that's about it.
Barely.
Yeah, barely.
That's a lot.
I love the kit though. The kit looks sick. I love the front end. Liberty Walk duckbill.
Basically, it's a special conversion. We use the kit. The only difference between the kit and the special you're really going to notice is in this rear end. This is supposed to be solid screen, but the kit looks really sharp as it is at that paint match finish. But additionalizing the wings, the rockers, changing the front bumper, and the hood.
Yeah. So from the factory, is the 458 and the Especial the only difference is aesthetics, or is there a motor difference?
There's performance package.
Oh, okay.
I think it's a minor difference in suspension, and then obviously the tune on the motor, because it's a minor difference.
Is it?
Yeah.
So are we in this? Put down pipes, anything?
So it's already got axle back exhaust. It's a one-off. We did a custom X pipe actually in the back.
458 Especial conversion, all done. Sitting on the HREs. Dang, it looks good from back here. So a lot of stuff going on over here in the Bespoke corner. We've got the Huracan has all of the quarter panels molded. That looks beautiful. No 3M, double-sided tape is going to be on this Huracan. And then, we've got the Mercedes. Got a pretty sweet carbon fiber hood. We can see huge carbon fiber front emblem. Front bumper. Let's check out the rear. It looks like we have nothing in the rear yet. AMG GT. Such a pretty car. But man, I love the hood. You can see through to the engine bay. So I'm sure we're gonna do like a really cool engine cover or something like that. This looks so good. Looks like Angel's over there working on the rear bumper or the side skirts, but man, you can just see how much wider this thing is. That's wild. We're here, Phaulner,
As always.
at Barrett Jackson. We've got the Porsche. We've got some pretty spicy things here. They parked us next to a freaking Chiron.
Yep.
They parked us next to a
literally
Chiron.
the Chiron draws them in, sees a Porsche, so it's like
Yeah.
oh
The Porsche has been getting like a ton of looks. The car's awesome. We're gonna take you guys around, show you a little bit inside Barrett Jackson. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey, we got a hell of a lineup here. We got Carrera GT, 918 Spider, Senna. Oh. So there's also a LaFerrari here too, right?
yes, it's in the Expel booth, but it's like 2 miles away.
What are you going for out of this lineup?
P1.
Really?
Yeah, I love the 918,
The
but
P1?
the P1, yeah.
Wow. Is that chrome wrap or is that actual paint?
I think that's actual, like,
I think that's
from
actual.
factory, yeah.
It really does. It looks like legitimate. Wow, that's sick. Wow, real 6x6. Dang. 6x6 Brabus. check this out. This has to be one of the coolest pieces here. It looks like the old school toys when you pop them out of the frame. Dude, there is so many cool cars and like cool vendors here.
Yeah,
I can't believe I've never been to a Barrett Jackson before.
What?
I've lived here since '02, so yeah, almost 20 years, never been to a Barrett Jackson.
You're like missing out.
I feel like I'm not even a car guy to say that. Like that's so weird.
No. You gotta be. If you're a car guy, you gotta go to Barrett Jackson.
Well, officially at Barrett Jackson, some really cool stuff. I hope you guys have enjoyed the Barrett Jackson portion. We're gonna hop back. We're gonna be in the shop. Let's go.
Yes.
So we got a lot of updates. What's up, Marley?
R.
Yeah, I do look like a fucking pirate.
okay,
Yeah, I broke my foot.
You broke it?
Yeah, I broke in 2 bones. I was going down into the basement and there were like really puffy stairs. I just caught one with my heel.
Oh my god.
I landed like straight on my foot. Oh, hold on. I gotta get Marley's reaction when he sees my foot.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, there's so much purple.
Yeah, it was bruised. All of my toes, all the way up the side of my foot. Yeah.
There's like purple and like 8 different shades of yellow in there.
It's
dude.
no fun.
Looks like a weed nug.
No. But it looks like behind you we have something cool.
Oh yeah.
458 Especial.
Little thing came back from Color Bomb not too long ago. We've got Phaulner wiping it down, giving her that last single polish on her.
That little
spit shine, you know, Space Jam edition. Friday
it
at
had
5.
the HREs, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just sitting over there.
Yeah, those are
Sitting over, those were sick. But this car looks good.
I like it.
Why'd they change the wheels though?
I don't know, but it should have
accent.
a polished finish.
The red, black, white, always
Looks
a
good.
solid color combo. Got the duck bill. That was the Liberty Walk duck bill that we actually chopped down. And you would never know. Like that looks like it came from the factory like that. Marley, the Huracan finish? Oh, painting, huh?
Yeah.
I have to check out the Mclaren. I see it behind you. Thank God it's not black. We got yellow. I'm gonna
Missed that yellow.
hobble my way over there. Oh man, the Mclaren looks so good.
It looks beautiful. I don't know if it's gonna make it to Cars and Coffee though.
Oh man.
We have the next Cars.
Yellow fire.
Yeah.
Ricky.
Crutches.
Yep. Crutches. Oh man. Dang, the yellow came out so good. It's like highlighter yellowish green. It would be hard on the street to say exactly what color this is. It looks so good. When's this thing gonna be done?
I hope
When's
today.
this thing gonna be done? Today?
That's cap! That's cap!
Today?
Maybe.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Should be.
That's a no.
Well, not wheels and lowered, but.
That's definitely a no. What wheels is it getting?
The same ones that went on the Aventador to SEMA, I think.
This is getting the AL13, the AL13.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the AL13s. So this car makes 1100-ish horsepower from what Sai was saying. So this is going to be a fun one to feature. I don't know. I hope I can film this one soon. I don't
I
know.
hope so too. I swear to God, that's compound. It's nothing else. It's just compound.
Oh, nobody can
Don't
see
worry
it.
about it. It's just compound.
Zoom in. It looks good. I like this one.
I do too.
Looks like we're still doing a final buff and polish right here.
Funny enough, it didn't take a lot of convincing for Sai to say yes to yellow.
Yeah, I really like it. I mean, the body lines stand out. Definitely something you don't see.
And the carbon fiber stands out too.
Yeah, the carbon fiber. That's what I love is that the actual accents really stand out when you do something so bright.
Yeah. And like, and if it's dark, it just hides everything.
Yeah.
So.
Marley,
What?
what are you doing
Hey,
over there?
were you kind of mad and upset when you noticed that we don't have handicap parking?
Dude, that's what I was gonna say. We need handicap parking out front. Ooh, and the boys working on the Mercedes. Sal, what's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
What do you guys?
with that boot?
You like my boot?
I do. Let me sign.
What are you guys doing on the Mercedes?
Lowering it.
Oh, okay. H&R springs? Size favorite, H&R springs. I knew it. Ryan, what's up?
Had to be.
Had to be H&R springs.
Always, bro.
This thing looks good. So it's pretty much done then, right?
Yeah, he's finishing up the buff. We're just putting on the springs, wheels today. Ready to go tomorrow.
Ready to go?
I don't think you've noticed.
Oh
Yeah.
God, what did I miss?
You missed it.
No, I saw the Grulian. I was coming over here to talk to Ryan about the Grulian because it's finally done.
15
Round
feet.
of applause. The Grulian's finally done. Only Phaulner.
I mean, don't go and look at it or anything, but it's done. Yeah.
Yeah, it looked dirty.
Yeah.
So, done. Ready for sale.
Don't go and look at it.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna go
It's
look
done.
at it. All right. Dang, the accent. That's spoilers. What?
What?
It's always right when I try to start talking.
Every single time. Every
Would you shut up, Ricky? Check out that 1016 kit on the 720S. This thing is all done. Fire. We actually took the vehicle out to an event. Someone stepped on the side skirt, so we got to replace the side skirt. But man, this thing looks awesome. We got the Mercedes getting wrapped up. All sorts of carbon pieces on this. Love the carbon front emblem. That splitter looks so good. Vossens, got the Vossens on there. Let's see, big old rear diffuser, spoiler. Man, that is a clean AMG GT. The
F8 sold.
The F8 sold?
Got 2 more orders
Nice.
with Kevani onto
The yellow one, right?
The yellow one,
F8?
yeah.
I'm
Two
sure
more orders
they
for-
saw my video and that's why it sold, right?
It was one of the nicer. I like something like that. We showcased the car. It was very elegant.
Yeah.
But so was the GT. You know, the Porsche.
The Porsche,
That drive. My God.
Yeah.
It's
It was
beautiful.
nice out there.
Especially after rain, all the flowers.
Yeah. The Mercedes is looking good. I feel like these are the builds where it's like quick.
Yeah, quick, and
simple.
we have a client for it already. And
Yeah.
It's not even really advertised yet. I don't know why the front bumper's off, but
So the 720S is done. What do you think about the car?
I love the color.
we probably have 300-400 hours in this build just to get the fitment right. You
Yeah.
know, it's up to the body shop to have the patience, know-how,
And fix it.
willing to
Yeah.
put the hours and the time to get it to look right.
Yeah.
You know, when we get a car done, it looks like it came from factory there.
But I have to say, the wheels, the AL13s,
Yeah,
the new
they're
disc
knocking
lip,
out.
woo!
Not a lot of people are still sold on that. Like,
Really?
a few customers are like, hey, what is that white thing? Can we take it off? I'm like, yeah,
Oh.
you can, but it's part of the.
That seems
new set.
surprising to me because that makes it look even more aggressive.
Yeah, I know.
Makes it different.
Yeah, of
'cause-
course. Yeah. You know, it's every time there's a change in any
gradual.
kind of fashion,
Yeah.
you know, automotive, when you know, electric cars first came out, everybody always has something negative to say, or
Right.
they don't just used to seeing it. Everybody used to see black wheels. You know, now, you know, so you have to kind of educate them, tell them, hey, this is a new trend. This
We're
is
the
what's in.
trendsetters. That's
Yeah,
what it is.
that's-
And
that's
sometimes
what
it's hard to be the trendsetters.
See you, bro.
Dun, 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 dun. Dang, the Grulian all finished up. We're gonna have to get a ride in this.
What's up?
It only took a whole year.
Yeah, I tried to move it and I realized my Yeezys were too wide because the pedals are like really right next to each other, so I couldn't press in the clutch.
So this has big turbo K24, right?
No idea.
I'm pretty sure it's a big turbo 4-cylinder. So we're gonna have to get this car on the road. Are we gonna do a full feature on this car? I don't know. I don't know what Sai thinks. We'll have to catch up with Sai.
It's a bit dirty and I know.
Well, yeah, a bit. This shows how long this car has been here. This is just dirt. Wow.
Put a smiley face on the wing. There we go. I've been a one-man detail crew this whole
Have
month. Yeah. Been detailing all the cars.
Oh man. Let us know in the comments, guys. What do you think of the Grulian? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
I give it a thumbs up.
I give it a thumbs up too. Like if you saw this car cruising on the road, it definitely would catch your eye.
Oh yeah, I would think it's a McLaren F1. I absolutely shit
yeah,
myself.
Yeah. Dude, yeah, just this rear quarter shot right here looks so cool. Stick around, guys. We're gonna do a feature on this.
Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are not subscribed, which it says a lot of you guys aren't, we really appreciate it. We put a ton of time into these videos. Stick around, we're gonna do a full feature on the Grulian Porsche video coming up next. TechArt 911.
I'm so
I know
excited.
you're excited for
I'm
that.
so excited.